Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to import data from a data file in R. We will deal with three types of data files. One is text file, the second one is CSV file, and the third one is Excel file. One important thing to remember here is that all these files should be in your working directory. Now, in order to import data from a text file, we make sure that this text file is in your working directory. We use read.delim function with the name of the file along with the extension. When you run this command, you see that this file is now in the global environment. We can use the view function to confirm. Next, in order to import the CSV file, we make sure that this CSV file is in the working directory. Here we can view the file, and here you can see that this is a comma separated value file. Now, in order to import data from a CSV file, we use read.csv function and we write the name of the file along with the extension. We run this and we see that this CSV data is now in our global environment. We can view this data by using the view command. In order to read data from an Excel file, you will be required to install a package. The name of the package is read Excel. You can use install.packages command, or you can install the package from here. We have already discussed how to install a package in R. Once you install this package, you need to load this package using the library function. Once we load this package, you can read the Excel file using read_excel function. Once you run this command, you will see that this Excel data is in our global environment, and we can confirm that using the view function. And this is how we read data from different types of data files. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.